Hi everyone, today we're making some oat flour chocolate chip cookies. So to start with, you're going to take 3 tablespoons of melted salted butter. You can use normal butter for this as well, just add some more salt later. Then add 1/4 cup light brown sugar, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and then you're going to whisk this until it's fully combined. Then you're going to add in 1 egg yolk and whisk this until it has turned into a lighter color. Then add half teaspoon cinnamon powder and whisk this one more time. Now we're going to add our half cup and 1 tablespoon of oat flour, and you're going to take your whisk out now and switch to using a silicone spatula. So just fold these ingredients together, and then you're going to go in with your hands to fully combine everything. I'm working on a non-stick surface, which is the silicone mat. Then you're going to add in your mix-ins of choice. I've added some crushed Oreos and semi-sweet chocolate chips. Wrap this up in plastic wrap and set it in your freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. This prevents your cookies from spreading excessively while they bake. Now you're going to separate your cookie dough into 4 to get medium-sized cookies and flatten them out slightly after you make balls. Bake these at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. You just want the edges to be slightly golden brown and allow them to cool before you enjoy. Thank you. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.